LIDR stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Observing Aeye Incorporated. So this is such a crazy name, but yeah, it's 30% up, and I definitely want to see like a broader picture approach, but more so of context. I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course 7 trips, and I've documented everything. So just observing LIDR, you see I have lines pointing towards the downside, which does not necessarily mean that I will short, but if I see a second break beneath the lows that we have made, then we're speaking, like, then we're really talking about something that I'll actually short. So that's how this looks like. But because we're in a no man's land, if I start seeing the price break above 205, full candle close, like a 2-hour chart, let's say, then actually this is going to be a bullish trend, and I actually like look forward into it. But because it's like a no man's land, like where we're in between these levels, I just rather wait. That's my 2 cents for right now. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.